Listen,
Yeah.
he will, when I pull up, he hears the garage, and then I have groceries. He will come and I give him the bags that I want him to carry, and he carries them upstairs.
Now see how Adrian, like, she has abs. You can see her like underneath. So she has something to where I know laser people don't like laser lipo and all that good stuff. You would be better suited to see her instead of somebody that drastic measure. Is that something where if you had like fat, like a lot of fat, like my fat,
Well,
they would be
you don't
laser
have a
lipo?
lot of fat. So, most of the candidates that are not a match are people who've had the gastric bypass surgeries.
Right.
And then once they drop that weight rapidly, they're not really a fit for this process because they have a lot of excess skin, and this will not help with that. With Andreen, I could do this in 4 sessions. I can
Gotcha.
get her belly tightened, put her under the RF, either one. I could do it manually or put her under the light, and I can get all of this tightened up.
That is
So
wonderful.
she's a perfect candidate. Her body's amazing. But if you have lost weight rapidly, like in a lot of the processes that include gastric or, your stomach, like, when they have the procedure where half of the stomach is cut, you're not really a fit for this.
Understood. And I think that's so important for people to understand because a lot of these doctors, they'll take your money, these medi spas, they say, oh, yeah, you're good. Come on, we'll take care of this and that. But not really because they just want your money. They see your insurance card that covers X, Y, and Z. Like, oh, yeah, we ran their card. And because I know how it works. I worked for a lot of those jokers where they already know what you can pay for. They know what you can afford, especially if you already got the money up front. Oh, of course, they're going to welcome you in. And they know those procedures might be contraindicated or against their policies and rules, but as long as you sign that waiver, that actually gets rid of their liability or relieves them of liability. And so that's why you see like on certain surgeries, not everybody's a good candidate for any surgery. Like you got to really be well suited for anesthesia. That's how some people die under anesthesia because they sign that form saying, "Oh, doctor, forget that. I'll just sign anyway," and they do
I
have to
love
learn.
your
Or,
tattoos. They are beautiful.
hell
Thank
yeah.
you.
You might have to lose 5 pounds before you are good for this type of surgery.
So, for this process, you kind of want to be at your ideal weight. However, it will take away the fat in any area that you having problem getting rid of. But if you are at your ideal, because I'm not taking any fat from your body, so you're not going to lose pounds, but you will lose inches from this process.
Good.
So with the combination of the upkeep between like you doing this and me doing 30 minutes for 3 days a week, I should definitely see crazy results.
You today, when you leave here, and then over the next, so it takes 3 days for the body to eliminate the fat that I am melting right now. And you're going to notice over the next 3 days that you're urinating. You're probably going to have to use the bathroom because you do. But if you actually like do some kind of work for 30 minutes, it is definitely, you're gonna see your body. You'll see it yourself. And this is one session and you'll notice. So in the next, so you have to send me a picture of you in the next 3 days.
Gotcha. And measurements.
Oh, you don't have to worry about the measurements. You're gonna see. You'll see. So give me, and then if y'all don't want to get on the road, y'all could just chill. We can go upstairs and everything and chill because I don't want to put you in the middle of traffic.
No, I was worried about well, I was worried about traffic a little bit, but no, we're good. This is
I think he was more worried about my 5-year-old because he's attached to me.
You look so pretty, girl.
Thank you. I think that's
love
what
your
it is.
hair.
Thank you.
I tell her all the time. I'm like, you the only one.
Oh
But
my
you have to like say
God.
like peanut shaped head or model shaped diamond or heart shaped faces. A little bit of oval. Some ovals can get away with it if they have a smaller head, cranium.
I got a small head. That's
Yeah,
how
so
I
you're
work.
good.
Girl,
You can
I
deal with
love
it.
that head. That was I
gotta
locked
do
after
anything.
I finished.
Mm-hmm.
You know, I showed you
That's
my
what I
picture.
want. Locks when I'm done.
But start them the color you want them.
The locks. I'm gonna start them blonde.
That's what.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's the way to rock them.
Yeah, I'm
Because
gonna keep them blonde too.
no, but what I'm saying when you like have to go get it dyed later and all of that, I didn't know.
Oh.
Oh, you know,
I was about to say, but remember, I'm a cosmetologist. I ain't worried about that part.
I forgot.
Yeah, that part is the easy part.
Actually, can you do like a super slow motion over the stomach? Like unless it hurts, just let me know. Wow, because I have it zoomed in super, super close. And you can see everything. I love this.